In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate elements in Pagefly, a process that will take just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Shopify or an experienced user, duplicating elements within the Pagefly app can help you save time and create consistent designs across your site. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and search for Shopify. Once you've landed on the Shopify homepage, you'll need to log into your account. This is where you manage your store and can access all the necessary apps integrated into your e-commerce setup. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify admin dashboard. Now, you'll want to navigate to your installed apps, which you can find by clicking on the Apps section in the left-hand menu. From there, locate and open the Pagefly app. This is a powerful tool within Shopify that allows for extensive customization, including the feature we'll be focusing on today, duplicating elements. Upon entering the Pagefly dashboard, direct your attention to the Pages section. This is where you manage the pages you've created within the app. It's a hub of your creative layouts and designs. Within this section, you can browse through different pages until you locate the specific element you wish to duplicate. Once you've pinpointed the element on the page, take a look at the interface. You'll notice in the top left corner a row of 7 icons. These are your toolbar options. To duplicate an element, you'll want to focus on the second icon from the left. This is the duplication tool and will facilitate our next steps. Click on this icon and then just give it a moment. The duplication process might take a little time, depending on the complexity of your page, but it should be available for use shortly. Once the duplicate appears, you'll have a perfect copy of your selected element, ready to be adjusted and tailored to meet your needs. Now, with your duplicated element in place, you can make any necessary adjustments or customizations. Whether you want to tweak the text, change the images, or alter any other design aspects, this is your opportunity to create a new, yet consistent element fitting right in with your overall page aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with the changes, remember to save your work. The Save button will ensure all your adjustments are secure and live for your audience to see. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated an element in Pagefly, all within a few simple steps. Mastering this process can significantly streamline your workflow and maintain design consistency throughout your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!